The aromas in the canteen out of this world today with Chef D back on the show.
Hey,
what
brother.
crazy concoction do you have for us today, Chef?
So last year this time, you were in my hometown.
Which is crazy. That's almost been a year since we went there live for Oktoberfest.
Right,
because that's coming up.
Oktoberfest.ca, check it out. You can see all these great events. It actually starts this weekend at Bingaman's. They're having bands and all that to get started. And then the smaller clubs, the Bavarian clubs, are starting the week after. Great food, great time. So they said, hey, why don't we do something kind of like the C&E, right? You know, with the deep fried Mars bar and stuff like that.
Yeah, deep fried butter and like they're always trying to come up with something unique.
Right? So, sauerkraut.
Okay.
I know you're not a big
sauerkraut. Well, no, like it's one of those polarizing things, and you know this at home too. You either really like sauerkraut or you don't like sauerkraut. And sauerkraut is normally going on a sausage.
Exactly. Okay. So,
right? Would you put sauerkraut other places?
No. Well, we're going to. This is sauerkraut in a brownie mix.
So sauerkraut is in there?
In here, okay. So we've just make your regular brownie mix, and then we added a cup of sauerkraut to it, okay? And then we're going to take, I'm just going to move this away so you can see, we've got some
How do you do that? Are you showing us the steps of that?
I'm going to show you that afterwards, okay? That's just, I just wanted to get the caramel sauce because I know what it's going to take to get this done.
Gotcha. So these are wonton wrappers?
Wonton wrappers, you can buy them at any grocery store, right? And then what we've done here is I've just put some water on them so then it seals. So then you just let it sit for a second. We're going to let that sit for a minute. Then I have my caramel sauce.
Is that what smells so good?
Yes. And then what we've done here is we've just reduced down some vanilla, some brown sugar, and some water. But you want to warm your cream up before you put it in because it will curdle. The cream will curdle if you don't do that.
What kind of cream is that? Whipping cream?
Whipping cream.
Okay.
In that goes.
That all goes there.
Right. It's like a science experiment. Come on, we can do this.
Look at you, that's why you're the master. Oh, man.
And there we go. We got our caramel going. It's going to reduce down, just like so.
How long does that take?
Okay, so that's been on this morning. You want to bring the brown sugar up to almost a boil. Okay. And the thing is, you just want to be really careful because you don't want to burn it, right? So you're going to get that.
Because then you get that burnt taste in it.
No. And then, like I said, now you got this beautiful caramel sauce, okay? Yeah. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take our wonton, put it in our deep fryer.
Oh, that's the deep fryer.
Right?
Oh,
so we're going to deep fry this, right? Then what we've done here.
What kind of oil you use in there?
I use beef tallow oil. Okay. I love beef tallow oil because it's not going to give you any other flavor. Yeah. It fries up beautifully for you, and you'll see all that and taste all that in a second.
It doesn't take too long, right?
No, it doesn't. Now I'm just going to reach across here, sorry. Yep. And then what we've done is we've taken some sauerkraut, we've dried it out, and sauerkraut is fermented cabbage, right?
Where do you get, do you get sauerkraut, or you actually have to buy the sauerkraut, or is it just cabbage?
You can buy cabbage and do it yourselves, but if you want, you can go to any grocery store and they have your sauerkraut. So we dry it off, right? There's lots of salt in it. And then now we put honey and brown sugar, and we put it on a parchment lined baking sheet.
This is not the sauerkraut that I know.
Right? Okay. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm going to grab a plate.
All right.
This is going to be hot, but you can just see we made a whole bunch here.
Quickly though, this goes in with this?
Yep, hold on, ready?
To create this?
Yep, here. I can give you a cold one so you can just try it because I don't want you to burn your mouth.
Oops.
We're going to take a little bit of our...
Oh, okay. Right. Well, the caramel's going on top of that too.
Okay, so try that.
Whoa. All right.
It's going to be a little bit hot, just be careful.
Okay.
Sweet,
Chefy.
savory,
Chefy.
Right?
You're getting a little explosion of everything in there.
Exactly.
Okay. I can maybe get on this sauerkraut train.
So you can come and see us. We'll be at the Gockel Block, downtown Kitchener. Check out Oktoberfest.ca. But come and see us the Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It starts off with a big party with the road hammers, and away we go. And also, too, we'll be doing the Oktoberfest parade.
Are you going to be in your lederhosen?
I will be in my lederhosen.
What's the other one? I was in last time I was there. There's lederhosen and there's the other one.
The Dirndl.
Dirndl?
The Dirndl for the ladies.
Oh, right. Yeah. Okay.
And then,
Are you giving away this recipe, or is this a secret recipe?
This is a secret recipe
we didn't give the details
of
this chocolate, and I kept asking for it, and you just kept avoiding the question. That's my hard-hitting news report. I'm just like, well, why don't we make that? Okay.
Anyways.
I guess we won't know how that
Well, you have to
happened.
come and see me in Kitchener, and then maybe after Oktoberfest, we'll share the recipe.
Good idea. Where can people follow along to you, Chef?
Oktoberfest.ca. You can check us out at chefdtv.com, of course. Okay. All the socials are there, and it's going to be a great time.
Yeah, it's great to have your wonderful wife Trish and your grand.
I know, Ellie's here. Ellie's here.
You want to come and say hello quickly?
Come here, Ellie.
Come here, Ellie. Come here. You can come and wave. Come here, darling. Oh, there we go.
Come on, you're going to come and say hi.
Oh, there's Ellie.
There you are.
Ellie wanted to come to work with Grandpa. Oh, good stuff. We're taking a break. We'll be back on Morning Live. Wave.
Wave.